In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best working promo code for Uber Eats. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first go to google.com and here at the search bar enter Uber Eats promo code. Now it brings you to that page and here you can find some website that contains the promo codes. I can hit there at first one and now it shows me different coupon codes for Uber Eats and I can explore the page and select any coupon code that I like. For example, that coupon code gives me $15 off $20 with Uber Eats. I can hit there at show more to get extra information. And it says that I can get $15 discount on your first $20 takeover food orders by applying this active Uber Eats coupon at the checkout. So now there I can hit at view coupon to see that actually coupon code. I can hit on copy to copy it to clipboard. And also there I can hit at visit Uber Eats and once I'm there I can add some foods to my cart, and when you will pay for that food just don't forget to apply your promo code and double check if it's really applied. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.